Hey, it's Mike Priest here with Easy-Kleen Pressure Systems. Today we're going to talk about our vac truck heater cabinets. We've been a family-owned and operated business since 1982. We're on to 3 generations now. We take a lot of pride in things that we build, especially these heater cabinets. They're going on $500,000 to $1 million trucks, and we like them to look like they fit on the truck and that they look good, but they're also operational and they do the job well. Everything is cut, bent, laser cut. We build our own coils on a 11-axis CNC roller, so there's less butt welds in our coils, and it's a continuous roll on the bender. So, you know, some manufacturers have pancakes that are cut and welded, and we don't do it that way. So our way of building coils makes for a lot sturdier, stronger coil with no rattles. So we sat down with this OEM, and they wanted a true plug-and-play system that they could put on their truck that would easily hook up with their hydraulics, the water, glycol, air, electrical, etc. So it was fast and efficient for them to put it on their trucks and take them off for service. So when we say true plug-and-play, this is what we're talking about here. You can set the heater right on the truck. You get your hydraulic in, hydraulic return, you get a flush line for your hydraulics, diesel in, diesel return. You got your electrical hookups. You can just put them in through there so she's not going to chafe on the cabinet. Here we got the water in, going into that nice big filter manifold. We got our high pressure water out, and we got glycol line in for antifreeze in the heater once you're all done the job there in the winter. For this OEM, we built 2 different sizes. We got this little guy here, and we got this bigger one. They're both 440,000 BTU oil heaters, Wayne burners, and the only difference is between this guy and that one is he's got a bigger pump system in it. Cabinets built, full stainless hardware, stainless hinges. We got seals around the doors so they're tight, no water's going to get in through here. We got our control box on the side here, our thermostat. We got an hour meter. This is your on-off switch for your burner. These 2 buttons here are for checking if you ever have any issues and you think you might have a bad thermostat or you might have a bad flow switch. These are what these buttons are for. You can check either one just to make sure that everything's functioning properly. Here's the gauge for your oil pressure of your burner. Got a gauge up here for the temperature of your water. Moving down below here, we got a gauge for your high pressure water. This is the filtration system that we got on this unit, specific to the OEM's needs. We got a Wayne burner, back at primary control. We got a general pump driven by a piston hydraulic motor. These 2 units are built with Pradazoli pumps. That's what the customer wanted. This one's 20 gallons a minute flow rate, the other one's 13 gallons a minute flow rate. We can build any cabinet or any pressure washer with a specific pump that you like, whether it be Cat, Pradazoli, General, Giant, AR. All the big pump manufacturers, we work with them, and we can get you a good deal on pumps if there's a specific pump that you prefer to have. Yeah, so we'll switch over to the bigger heater, and I'll show you a few more things on it, just because there's more space in the cabinet and I can show you easier. So the OEM that are purchasing these cabinets, they ask for these specific filters. They get a drain down here on the bottom of them. They got a nice big screen, they're easy to change. These ports here for sensors, we got a port here, and then there's a port in the back. You can't see it in the film, but then we got these ball valves here for air lines. We got another drain right here for draining water. Again, the same as our pumps, we can get you burners if you have a specific burner that you like we use Wayne, but we can get you Beckett or anything like that. These frames are all CNC cut on our laser table. Heavy gauge steel, fully powder coated. They're not going to rust out on you. You can see the doors all have gas shocks on them, so they open and close nicely. Another thing at Easy-Kleen that we're really big on is ease of service. So on these cabinets, we have a removable panel. So you can get in there and access the pump or the hydraulic motor or anything that's inside there that might be hard to get at just through the front door. You just pop that panel off and easily get at it. Another nice feature on these pump systems is we got this line here, which is just an oil drain for the pump. So when you go to service your pump, it'd be really difficult to get the drain plug off. Not only that, it'd make a huge mess going in the back of the cabinet. So just add this simple line, drain it into a waste pail, makes that job a lot easier. If you want to call us up, you can call us at 1-800-315-5533, or you can check us out online at www.easykleen.com.